we're back with another video. Today's video, guys, we have another inventory, so we're gonna do this inventory. Something like that. Alright. Alright, guys. It's okay. Okay. Oh, I have a lot coming up. Alright. Here's what we got. Here's what we got. We got our flavoring oils, you guys. Okay. Open up that. See what flavor ours is. Let it focus. Okay, it says strawberry white cake fragrance. That smells good, y'all. That smells good. I got 2 of those. The next one is okay, the salty caramel smells just like what it is, which is a plus. Now the cookie and cream is what I'm really, let's be showing y'all. Cookies and cream. I need to focus. Okay, cookies and cream. Oh yeah. Cookie and cream smells like it. And I got 2 of those, so yeah. These are my 2 other ones. And my next one is my pigment. So stay tuned, you guys, because I am going to be posting a video on I am going to be doing a video on how to make everything for Valentine's, because these are my Valentine's fragrant oils. So I am going to be making our body butter, sugar scrub, body oils, perfume oils, and yeah, y'all. So stay tuned for those videos. Stay tuned for cleaning my bottles out. So yeah. And I'll be back with another video. Bye.